Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are well. Today I am here to discuss about SOF NSO, that means National Science Olympiad for class 3. First, the exam dates. Exam date for level 1, 13th November, 27th November and 11th December 2025. School will choose any of the date for the exam. This is for level 1. Level 2 exam date will be announced later. Now the books. Which books are required for this examination, for preparation of this examination? First I am showing you the book. This is Olympiad Preparation Guide Science. It is by MTG for class 3. First the contents. This is the content or the syllabus. Plants and animals, birds, food, housing, clothing and occupation, transport, communication and safety rules, human body, earth and universe, matter and materials, light, sound and force, our environment. There are 2 sample papers. This book is not colorful, but the book is excellent. So much informative book. First the chapter plants and animals. You can see after the chapter there are plenty of examples, there are differences, and after the chapter there are exercise and answers are given also with hints. This is the second chapter, birds. Child should go through this book thoroughly for preparation. It's must to go through this book thoroughly. Then this one. This is also MTG book, Science Olympiad Workbook Class 3, 2024-25 edition. This is a very beautiful, colorful, interesting book. First the contents: plants and animals, birds, food, housing, clothing, occupation, transport, communication, safety rules, human body, earth and universe, matter and materials, light, sound and force, our environment, logical reasoning. Logical reasoning is also important for this examination. A book is also available on logical reasoning which cost almost 150 rupee. If you can buy this book. This is also by MTG. SOF National Science Olympiad 2024 question paper. This question paper is also here and the answers are also given. At last there are hints and explanations. This is the first chapter, plants and animals. A short discussion is given about the chapter, then there are questions, and after each chapter there is OMR sheet. Just tell your child to fill the OMR sheet for practice. It is very much important. You can see how colorful the book is. Now this one, this is Science Olympiad previous year's question paper. Previous year's papers, there are 10 question papers from 2020 to 24, both set A and set B. Then there are 2 model test papers. You should give your child to answer one question paper in 1 hour. This is one question paper. OMR sheet is given. Tell your child to fill up this OMR sheet for practice and check the answers from behind. The answers are given. All the books are MTG books. These books are available in MTG site and also in Amazon. These 3 books are available as a combo. Compare the price in both the sites, in Amazon and MTG site, and buy the books. And if you want to buy the logical reasoning book, it is also available in Amazon and MTG site. I will give the links of the books in description box. and if you can't buy all the books, just buy this one, and this is only 100 rupees, and make your child prepare for the examinations. Best of luck.